So we're going to start the session now. So good evening all. Today we are going to start with a new, or you can say interesting topic, and that is Python for data science. Now why I'm saying this is the most interesting and most useful topic. The reason is here you are going to use Python for solving the problem. Now what is the kind of problem you are going to solve with the help of this Python and data science now? So let us understand step by step first what is data science. In the last session, I discussed about what the Python is, and we saw the various applications of the Python. In this session, you will understand the uses of data science, like how you can use data science and the kind of applications which are there, and how you can solve the problem using the Python data science now. So let us understand in a step-by-step manner what the data science is all about. This particular workshop will be useful for those guys who are having the background of statistics, or those who like to use the statistics for solving the problem, where you'll be learning the Python as well as data science here. It's useful for the analytics who are interested in the business analytics. They can use this particular workshop. I have already conducted the workshop, detailed workshop of Python for data science. I will request you to visit my YouTube channel to see the details about the Python for data science now. This workshop is just the introduction for data science now. The benefit is like you will come to know what data analytics means, what machine learning is, like where you are going to use a machine learning, and the uses of the library like pandas and all. So let me start with the data science term first. What is this data science is all about? Data science is an umbrella of techniques, allows you to extract the information and insight from the data. Now, generally you deal with the raw data, but the data science will help you to get some insight from it. What does the insight means here? Insight means you are going to give the meaning to the data. You have data, you have raw data, but you do not know what to do with that data now. But data science will help you to solve certain problem or make you to understand the data itself, or allows you to solve the problems using the analytics technique now. We'll understand what that analytical technique means here. So there is another definition of data science. It says that it is an interdisciplinary field, uses for the scientific method, processes, the algorithms, systems to extract the knowledge and insight from many structured and unstructured data. So here it is not like when you are trying to get the data, like you can say, like, whenever you are trying to get the insight from data, it doesn't mean that you have a structured data. You may have a data which is unstructured format. So all that comes under data science only. So data science allows you to extract data from all the types of data here. So data could be structured or semi-structured or unstructured here. So this is a term which is given to practice of analyzing the raw data from the hidden pattern here. It is related to data mining, machine learning, and big data also. Now there are various terminologies available in data science, and what are the kind of domain expertise required. So we'll be understanding the data scientist role here. What data scientist is doing here? Data scientist is having the multiple skills, and what all skills are required for data scientist is something like data mining, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So whenever you look for data science, there are many more terminologies which are connected with data science now. What are those terminology? Even you will see like artificial intelligence is a part of data science then. Neural network programming, data visualization, hypothesis testing, data modeling, big data solution engineering, explorative data analysis, modeling, and prescriptive analytics, statistics, mathematics, all these are connected to data science. Now, how does it connect? Who is going to connect? So let me tell you, like here is a one role called data scientist, one of the most powerful role in data science. what is the role of data scientist? What is the kind of skills are required? And how important is a data scientist here? What you should be doing to become data scientist now? So there are questions which are there in our mind. Let me do data scientist is one of the most sexiest job in the market right now. What does it mean? Is a person who is who's getting the highest salary in the market now. The kind of skill required for data scientists include the programming skill, statistical skill, mathematical skill, and also the business skill here. So this particular role, data scientist should know more about the statistics than the computer scientist also, should know more about the computer science than the statistician also. So he's having the huge responsibility of the company. He is a person who will drive the entire company. You can say the data scientist could be the CEO of the organization, or he is a person who can guide to the CEO. Now, how the data scientist can guide to the CEO? What is the kind of role the data scientist is doing here? Data scientist is helping you to predict. Data scientist is helping you to decide the market segment. Data scientists tell you like where to invest, where to not invest, what kind of portfolio should be there. There are many things which data scientists can help you. It depends on the type of organization. Data scientists will have that kind of skill. Now, if you're having the skill, let's say you are working for the healthcare domain. So you should have the expertise in the healthcare domain along with the technical skill or the statistical skill, you can say. Now, the skills which are related to data scientists include the data management, entrepreneurships, art and design, computer science, and the data analytics. I'll be giving you some more detail about the data science here and the kind of skills which you will require to learn to become the data scientist. So this is one of the metro map for data science. Now, this metro map will give you some idea about data scientist skills or those who like to enter into data science now. Whoever want to enter into data science field as a career, what you should be doing for that? Firstly, you should have the fundamental mathematical skill. Because most of my students are asking that what I should do as a career, as a data science, what all skills I should build. So let me tell you, like, there are 10 tools in this particular metro map here. You need to learn in a step-by-step manner. By assuming that you are having some mathematical background, you can directly go for the statistical skill there. You do not require to have expertise in every area. You can start with the basic skill first. Start with the basic thing, like the statistical skill, you can go for it. Have a basic statistical algorithm, try to understand those algorithms in a step-by-step manner. Next thing, you can go for the programming skill. Now, programming skill include, you have two options available in this case. As a statistician, you have one of the language which is dedicated to the data science, that is the R language, and another language which is a general purpose language, that is a Python. I recommend Python here because here Python is not just for the data science, it is also for various other purposes, like for the big data analysis, or you can say for the web programming and many more purposes. So you can use a Python, and Python has a huge library for data science itself. So yes, you can run one of the language here for the entering into the field like data science here. Once having the knowledge about language as well as the statistical skill, you can go for the next thing as a machine learning. Now, let's say you know how to explore data, but unless and until you are training to the model, means the statistical model here, and unless and until you understand the different types of model, you are not able to solve the problem. So model is related to solving the problem, where you can solve the problem related to different types of data. The data could be of supervised data types, or we can say supervised machine learning, where we have a data which is labeled data. We can have data which is a huge data which is unlabeled data, we call unsupervised machine learning. So there the models comes into the category like supervised machine learning model. You have an unsupervised machine learning model. You may go for the reinforcement machine learning model. You may go for the semi-supervised machine learning model. So you need to understand, okay, this is a model, but why this particular model is where I can use this particular model now. You need to understand each and every model here. For example, the model could be linear regression, logistic regression, or you have a classification related model, like we have a decision tree model. So there are varieties of the model which you will require to understand, and you can solve the different types of problem. Now, in this case, you may have types of data also, like you may have data which is of categorical type of data, or you have numerical data. So to understand the data here, and you have to understand the, like, okay, how I can use the categorical data here. Can I use the categorical data for prediction, or can I use for the classification now? All these things you have to understand. Now you have to understand the different types of column here. The columns, the feature, or the dependent variable, independent variable, and that you can train. In the model case, what you do is you train the model here using the training data set. So that's what you're going to learn in the topic machine learning. Machine learning is a very, very important topic after the exploratory data analysis, which you can do using the library like pandas and the numpy and the matplotlib. So here there's a combination now. There's a combination of machine learning where you can use a library like sklearn, which is related to machine learning library. Having that skill, let's say you have that skill, then if you can explore for the next skill, that is a text mining or NLTK programming. That is something for the text classification. So you are dealing with the data which is a text data now. So then you can go for the text mining skill. So where you have we can say the corpus of data. You have a data which is a text data, and you need to apply some machine learning model for the text data here. There is a great library available in the Python that is called NLTK library for the text mining. Having that skill, you can also go for the another that's another area, and then you can also go for the expertise or the skill like a visualization of data now. Now, when you say visualization, if you basic visualization skill you can learn in all the cases like in pandas also and all. But if you want to have expertise, you can go for the special library like Seaborn, matplotlib in the case of Python. But in our language also, there are some other libraries are available. You can explore those also, where you have a ggplot. Those kind of visualization can be done. Now, with the help of this visualization technique, you can understand data, the purpose of the data. You can have the classification. You can see the kind of chart you have. This is very useful, in the case of data science, that you are understanding by graphics the various types of plot. The plot could be the box plot, or you have a line chart, or you have a scatter graph. So there are different types of plot which comes under the visualization. You may have a 2D plot, you may have a 3D plot also. It depends on the type of data you are trying to explore. Now, once having that skill of exploring the data, you can go for the another skill, and that is related to big data analysis. So big data analysis is related to like reading the big data here. It is connected to the Hadoop also, like you have a HDFS. HDFS is connected to Hadoop file system, and you must have heard like Hadoop is to read the big data. You can have the petabytes of data, and it's you have a cluster here, and this kind of Hadoops are available on the cloud also nowadays. So there you can go for the big data analysis. That's the seventh skill which you can go for. Then the next skill where you can go for is a data ingestion. Now, data ingestion is related to your data frames, your transformation of data, and many more things here. So again, you are exploring more about it. Then you may go for the data monging. Now, you can understand what I'm trying to say, the step-by-step manner, how you can build the data science skill here. Every step is very important, and the last step you can go for is a toolbox, which are there. The toolbox could be various languages or the techniques which are helping you for data science. So it will be a Spark, PySpark, Java, Python, R, and many more options are available for you. So this is the way you need to go for the data science now. So I have already explored and discussed about each and every step to you. Now let me go ahead with the next step, and that is the data science application. Now, having to understand, like, what we understand data science is related to getting some insight from the data. And what are the skills are required, I had discussed just now, that you need to have the skill like the statistical skill or mathematical skills. You need to have the skill related to programming skill, or you need to go for the skill which is related to machine learning skill. And once having the machine learning, you need to go for the skill related to a text mining skill, NLTK programmings. And after having that, you may go for the skill related to visualization of the data. You may go for the big data analysis for that. Like we have big data analysis skill also. So there are various skills you can build to become the data scientist. So you can understand now the kind of scope data science is having. To become a data scientist, you have a tremendous scope to learn and explore. And more you practice, more you learn, more the, you can say, become the confident, and more the earning you can have with the help of these data science techniques, right? So now, what kind of applications you are generally looking for in data science now? You can see like there are various applications available in data science now, and where it is useful, that also I'll be discussing in this particular session now. Now the banking industry, they are using for the fraud detection. You must have seen like in many cases there are credit card or debit credit card frauds are happening there. Also you must have seen the fraud and risk detection. Also in the banking industry, there are customer who are having the bad debts and the losses everywhere. So that information can also help to decide the company or the bank organization to whether to provide the loan or not. So this all thing can help to data scientists. So whether you could and how much loan to be provided. You can also find, okay, like is any customer who can create a fraud. So this is definitely to avoid the fraud. Also you can use a data science application. So there are various applications available to get the insight from the customer data itself. So your banking customer data is one of the area where you can help you out. Then there are something companies where they would like to sell some product. So data science help you to sell product based on the customer purchasing power and the interest. So you can have recommendation. For example, Amazon is selling certain product. So this is all recommendation system. Google search is using data science like for delivering the best result for the search query. Whatever the search you're doing in the case of Google, there is a data science involved. So it processes the almost 20 petabytes of data every day. Such a powerful is a data science in the case of Google search itself. There are companies like a digital advertising company. They are also using data science for target advertising or retargeting. You can display the banner on the various websites using the data science here. You can have the digital billboards at the airports. You can use a various algorithm for getting the higher CTR than the traditional advertisement. You can also, you can decide the kind of advertisement you like to push on the server. So all this will definitely help you for deciding to go for data science now. I always recommend one of the powerful things which even most of the data science, most of the content management company or the product seller, they should look for is a recommendation system. So now recommendation system, like the Amazon is using it widely, like whenever you're buying certain product, your information, like when you are searching something, that information is stored in the Amazon server here, and from that Amazon is giving you certain relevant product. Okay, this is what the product you have searched. Let's say you have searched for some mobile. So Amazon will recommend you, okay, there are other mobile also which are customer demanding. So there will be some recommendation for the different types of mobile itself. That way you'll get the option and you'll be getting engaged with the various mobile, and definitely will try to buy one of the mobile from that. So recommendation system will say, okay, this is the product I will recommend you to, and you'll get the various the suggestions or the feedback from the customer itself. So that way the system, this is all system, there's no person involved, there's no one as a human who is telling you to buy the product from the Amazon, but the system is telling you, okay, this is the most useful product available, you should buy it, you should take it, because there are great reviews about this product. And definitely will think, okay, yes, there are so many people who already say that this is the best product. So now you don't require to worry, you don't require to think much, because so many people are saying to buy this product now. Maybe the mobile, or maybe the laptop, or maybe any electronic gadget or any other device, and you come to know, okay, these are the suggested product, so I should go for this only. So you will not be thinking much in this case. You will not require to worry about the product, because there are let's say thousands of people who already recommended. So this way the Amazon is reading the what the customer is looking for, what the customer is telling about the product. Everything about the customer is known to the Amazon, and as a result, Amazon is able to sell maximum number of product in a short duration now. So same way, the recommendation system is used in the Netflix. What are the movies you are watching on the Netflix? That movies you are watching based on the recommendation given by the Netflix here. As well as the LinkedIn is giving you certain suggestion and also asking okay to go for some sales navigator and many more things. So this way you come to know that in this company, like they're doing the entire business based on the data science only. So you can understand how useful and how important is data science now. There are things like the like application related to image recognition. So Facebook is using to tag your friends. You want to share something on the Facebook and you want to the Facebook is telling okay, giving some suggestion for the tag also. So there is an automatic tag suggestion that is also done by the face recognition algorithm, which is used in the Facebook. There is another application which is related to image recognition. WhatsApp web scanner barcode. That's again like understanding the barcode. Based on that, you are able to browse the WhatsApp on the on your laptop as well as in the mobile phone. And Google also provide that option for searching the images by and uploading them. So these are the way that the data science application you can see in the market here. There is a speech recognition application which we are using it in a routine, like you ask the Google Assistant. We say the Google Assistant here. You ask the Google and just say okay Google, and the Google search started. Now my Google search, I say okay Google, and here this mobile is got activated. I just say okay Google here, and now if I can ask the question to my assistant, okay, what this particular mobile. See, even the Google Assistant started asking the question now. Before even I started asking, because the Google Assistant is listening to me right now. So this way, this is what the application of speech recognition. There is another application like which we are using, like in the iPhone, that's a Siri, or in the MacBook also you see Siri is there. In the Microsoft, you have a Cortana, and this way you just speak and then is converted into text and you get the whatever the response you want. There is a gaming industry. They are using the data science for solving the problems into games here, where the games are designed based on the machine learning algorithm. Like you're already playing with the chess games, or many games which are available, which are useful, which are where the data science is used here. So yeah, I'm not discussing about all the game, but then I think you must have got idea like how data science is used in our kind of application which are available in the market now. So data science, there are some other applications like to identify and predicting the disease in the healthcare industry, personalizing the healthcare recommendation, optimizing the shipping routes in the real time, getting the most value out of the saucer rosters. So like that, there are many more applications available in data science. Okay, so this is what we discussed, like in the Cortana feature in the Windows Phone. Then the Microsoft is already having that feature available. I say like, yes, if you just talk to if you want some assistant Microsoft, there's a Cortana. If you, I discuss about the Google Assistant is already application of the speech recognition. You can speak to the Google Voice and you just ask what are the queries you are having. Then this is like a setting, like in case you like to do the Google setting for as an assistant, you can configure it, or you can simply say, okay, Google, and then your phone will get activated, the Android phone. So that's the shortest, this is like a shortcut, and you can say, hey, Google, a couple of times. As soon as I say, hey, Google, my mobile started activating. And the question started asking now. This is something like, way to activate. Siri is another application. We already discussed about it, that your wish is command. Now, data science is having some application into advertising, as we discussed. Like, yes, this is one of the very, very powerful things which it is a need of all the business, you can say. Now, imagine you're doing the advertisement based on the target audience now. So here there is a more chance of conversion. So online advertising, then personalized user experience. Here, higher the personalized, better the chances of conversion. So you are getting the advertisement based on your choice, based on your need, based on your expectation. And here, that's what we say personalized user experience. And this is given in the Netflix, this is given in the Amazon, this is given in the Facebook, this is given in the most other web-based company. They are giving you the personalized user experience, which will help you to build a better relationship with the customer and collecting and analyzing the user data also. It also figure out the likes and dislike, interest and the activities here. So you come to know, okay, this is a product. Let's say I have uploaded my video here, and I will come to know, okay, how many people like it and how many people dislike it. So this is just to, or I have posted something on the Facebook, and I just wanted to like, okay, how many people are liking it or how many people are disliking it. This way you can do the analysis. So this is all done by the system now. Even you are doing something on your website, you can just think, okay, you have a website and you want to have a trial on your website and check it, like how does it work, how many people are responding to your website. So this kind of analysis can be done using the data science here. So what you do is you have to collect the data, customer data, through this particular programming skill, and then you can suggest certain products to the customer here. So there are very useful tools like AI powered chatbots. We do have created on our website. I will show the demo about this chatbot here. This is one of the very useful tool which you can create in the internship also. As a students, what you can do is you can look for the creating such kind of a tool where you should be able to answer the queries of the customer. Just imagine the customer is like in our GKTCS, someone is looking for you can say a Python related information, and we can train the machine here. Okay, say like, okay, what are the students queries asking, related to Python should be answered by the machine or robot, you can say, or you can say chatbots. With that help of, if we can respond, that means like, you do not require to have the tutor or someone to answer your question. I'll show this with the help of demo now. Let me open the website here. So I just opened the website now. I hope this website is visible to you. Now, here in this our website, gktcr.in, as well as we have another site called gktc.com, we are also using some data science tools here. And one of the tool which I say is a chatbot. This is a chatbot tool where you can ask the question to this chatbot and you get the response. You can try and ask this particular chatbot that the question into Python. As of now, we have trained this particular chatbot for the Python related queries now. So you can try this, like, what is Python? And you can see there's a speech recognition is there, and this particular bot has responded with the answer also. Right now I'm already using the audio, so that's why you're not able to hear this sound here. But then if you check in your mobile also, you will come to know when I say what is Python, the chatbot is responding, okay, Python is a high level interpreted, interactive and object oriented scripting language. Like that, I can ask some other question like, what is list in Python? And you can see the chatbot has responded that lists are the most versatile of the Python compound data. So these answers are something which is like whatever you loaded, based on that the chatbot is responding. So this was just example like that. You may go for some like the application to healthcare. You want to know about certain health related symptoms, like maybe the COVID related chatbot is created, and you want to have like something like you want to know like, okay, which is which are the vaccines available, where the vaccines are available, which is the best for you. So like that, many more questions comes to your mind. And if you have that answer, and if you load that answer, means question and answer to this bot, the bot is going to respond to you. So you don't require to have someone, to be there to assist to the customer, because there are millions of customers. These millions of customers is going to ask the question now. So to help the millions of customers, the one of the solution which even the government is looking for is a chatbot. So this is a great project which you can do it as a one of the project for the internship, other than the project which you have is a recommendation system. I'll be showing you more about this project here. Like if you look at that in our website, you can see we have the internship program, we have a premier subscription, we have a PG course certification available now. Now each program is very useful program here. Let's say you are going for the premier subscription now. This premier subscription is something where you will see that what are the skills you like to build. You'll get the skills related to Python, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and many more. Here we have created the blended learning solution. This blended learning solution is the most cost-effective solution available in GKTCS right now. I will say this is something where you get the insight or the skill from the trainer as well as from the system now. So here you can learn 24/7 through the system, and whenever there's a live session, you get the alert on your machine that there's a live session, you get the emails, and you can directly join through the system itself, and you'll get the live session like this. So the live session will help you to understand the subject as well as understand how to do the project, or you will get the mentorship here. You'll come to know, okay, why the mentor? Because mentor is going to help you here, okay, as per your skill, as per your understanding. Here we understand your problems and we try to solve your problem now. So there's a system which you created to solve your problem. Here you can see the kind of skills which are there. Like we have data science skills, we have a Python programming skill, the machine learning skill, the artificial intelligence, full stack development skill, Python. So there are many more skills which includes the you can see the videos, we include the ebooks, which include the your PDF. I'm like the kind of data you want. I'll be sharing in detail about it, and my team members, like even we have a Sanket here, he's going to tell you about the various things or various feature available in our Premier dashboard here. So let me tell you about this, with a first presentation. So this Premier dashboard is something we have a Premier subscription, is something in the new initiative by GKTCS. We'd like to give some more insight about this, that our team members are working hard to create such kind of a product for all the learner. We believe on giving the best services in education. We believe on providing the skill set here. And that's why we're focusing more on automation of the skill set also. We are using the artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science for providing the skills also to the most of the people now. You will see, like till now, the GKTCS were providing only the classroom sessions, but now GKTCS is focusing more on providing the online training session. And this session, not only in India we're providing, but also to the UAE, to the USA, and many more countries here. So this is something I'll be telling like about the new product, which is to Premier subscription. This particular product is also like created by our senior developer. We have a senior developer, Sanket here, who is actually you can say the developer having the experience of almost the 5 to 6 year experience in the Python, data science, machine learning. He joined as an intern almost in the year 2015, and from that he started continuously learning and building the skill in the Python, data science, machine learning, Django, and many more skill like that. And he's able to now create the system which is very useful for all the learners across the globe now. So Sanket, you would like to say something about this right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Sanket Lolke, currently working as a product manager in GKTCS Innovation. So I would like to give you some brief idea about Premier subscription. So let's see what is exactly the Premier subscription and what are the features of the Premier subscription. As Surendra sir has discussed, we are providing a blended learning system, which is the most cost-effective solution for the online learning. So the most advanced feature we are including in this learning management system, and in blended learning system, you can get access for videos as well as there are online instructor who will guide you and who will teach you. So we are giving so here are some courses which we are providing for the Premier subscription. So here is sir, can you go to the previous slide?
This one
Yeah.
or this one?
Next one.
Okay, you're saying the next slide, yeah? This
Yeah.
one.
As once you subscribe for Premier subscription, you will get access for all these courses. That is Python programming, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, full stack development, and Python for automation. And we are keeping increasing these courses. And okay, sir, next slide, please.
Yeah. Yeah, is this visible?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Once you subscribe for this course, you will get access for Premier dashboard. This is the one of the feature that is Premier videos. So you will be getting access for all Premier videos, which are specially accessible for the Premier learners. Sir, next slide, please. Yeah, you will be getting all these features in Premier dashboard. That is Premier videos, Premier courses. Then there are some free courses. You can get access for free courses also. Then a recorded workshop, online quiz, applied, then recent workshop, life-saving tools, learning strategies, and many more. Yeah. Sir, next slide. Yeah. This is a next feature, that is a Premier courses. Once you subscribe to Premier courses, then you will get access for all these courses. Suppose I want to access for Python programming, then I will click on Python programming. Yes, the next slide. Once you click on okay. Once you click on any course, then we will be redirected to the detail page, course detail page. There you will be getting all the details regarding that course. That is, there are some description. There are description, objectives, prerequisite, and requirements for this course. And once you scroll down, you will get the course outline. So here we have divided one complete course in a number of different modules. So you can easily access the course content. Suppose I want to access course content for first module, that is Introduction to Python. Then I will click on module content. After that, I will be able to see the content of that module. That is here we can see the topics of which topics will be covered in this module, and there are also option for presentation videos. So suppose I want to access a presentation, then I will click on presentation. After that, uh, the presentation will be open. So there we, yes. After that, presentation will be open. And next, when I click on video, then video of that particular module will be open, and you can access that video. Also, we have included the online test feature in this Premier subscription. So if you want to check your knowledge or learning skill, you can go for the online test. Once you submit your test, you will get immediate result for that test. Okay. Yeah. If you want to submit your assignment, you can also submit your assignment online. Sir, previous slide, please.
This one is homepage.
Yeah, homepage. Yeah, as Surendra sir has shown you our homepage, recently we have added three new features. That is PG course certification, premier subscription, and internship program. The learners or the working professional who would like to do certification in any particular niche technology, they can go for the PG course certification. And the students who are learning in institutes or college, who want to do their internship, they can go for the internship program. Okay. Yes, sir. Next slide, please. Yeah, suppose you want to subscribe for the premier subscription, uh, then this is the premier subscription detail page. On that page, you will be able to see one option, that is click here for the registration. Suppose I click on the registration option, then this registration form will be open. You need to fill up this form and submit this form. After that, after submitting this form, you will get one confirmation mail, that is for your email validation, email confirmation, sorry. So after email confirmation, you will get access for the learner dashboard. And this is the learner dashboard. On the left side, we so next slide, please. Yeah. On learner dashboard, there is one option, that is premier plans. Suppose we want to subscribe for any premier plan, we can click on premier plan. After that, we will go to next page. Yeah, this is the premier subscription page. So here we will get all details about the what is the exactly premier subscription, which courses we are providing, and what are the different plans and their details. Sir, next slide, please. Yeah, this is the subscription. There are four subscriptions we are providing. That is, first one is bronze subscriptions, second one is silver, then gold, and after that diamond. Uh, uh, yeah, yeah. Here is one additional feature, that we are providing some flexibility for the learners. Suppose I want to go for the bronze plan, then I will click on bronze plan, and after that, so next slide. Yeah, suppose I want to subscribe for bronze subscription, then I'm get then we will have different plans for the bronze subscription. Uh, Same for the next plan, that is silver subscription. Yeah, same for gold and diamond. So in bronze subscription, we are providing the recorded sessions, all the course content, online test, and online certification. In silver subscription, we will be providing four live session per month, and one hour mentorship, and premier course content, online certification, and after that, in gold subscription, there will be 8 live sessions per month. Suppose if you go for the 4 month 6 month plan, you will be getting uh, 8 live sessions per month for 6 months. Okay. And suppose you go for diamond subscription, you will be getting 16 live sessions per month. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So that's it. Thank you, Sanket. I think we will go to the website directly. There also I can share you then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think I can share that on the screen directly, and we can show like the plan which are available on the website itself. I think this is a PowerPoint. This is the Chrome. Okay, so this is a portal where you will get the all details, step by step manner. Like I'm going to the home page first. Here in the home page, you have the option available. So what is the option? It says here in this case is that you like to go for internship. Your option for internship here, or if you want to go for okay, let me first start that. I click on some other services. I guess there are various services available for the workshop. Also, we have services available. So let's say you want to go for internship now. So just click on the internship now. The option for the internship will come. And here there's a chances like if you want to get the experience here. So there's options available for experience. So this is a system-based internship here. And there's a blended learning program in this case also. Like you have the learning as well as you have work experience, and you get the certificate as on the live project. You get the work on the live project. Mostly the project which you are doing, they are all like project related to data science, machine learning, AI, like the recommendation system, AI-based digital marketing. There are many more like chatbot applications and many more like that. So we have almost, you can say for our company also, we have almost 65 projects which are available for the interns. So it depends on your interest. We can give the, and based on your skills, we can provide you the particular project here. Here, this project's selection is based on the test. You will got to go to the test first. Once you clear the test, then only you'll get the particular project. And the system will tell you how to go ahead for the synopsis, and the system will tell like the step-by-step manner for the submitting the synopsis, and how to fill the synopsis. Then the system will tell you about how to go for the project report creation also, and how to do the analysis, how to do the coding, how to do designing part. There are designing tools available like UML design tools available. So you have a tools connected in the system, and tell you like, okay, this is the way the design should be, this is the way the analysis should be, this is the way the coding should be, this is the way. So each and every step is there with a guided, we call the guided internship. So this is one of the project which we have created recently. We do have a project related to PG level course program. So this PG level course program is something very interesting program that is like for the artificial intelligence and machine learning. And this is a particular program for working professional, or like this is like you can go for the you can say the part-time program. And as of now, we have started with the artificial intelligence, machine learning, but in a step-by-step manner, we are going to start with the full stack development. Although we are doing it, we also have data science and machine learning program, AML, data science, machine learning, then full stack development, and then there are programs related to business analytics, big data analysis, and the DevOps engineer. So these are all one-year programs available. Although you have the choice to learn for the month wise, but then these are almost like a one-year program. This is like complete guided programs here. So you can further explore this for the PG level course also, and you get the brochures, all this thing. Once let's say you want to know about the particular program, you can click on the program and get that particular program page. There you will get the access to the brochure also. If you want the brochure, you just go for the download brochure here. And once you click on download brochures, you'll get the options to fill some information, and you'll get the brochure on your email itself. So this is the way you can go for this particular PG level courses. And I think we already discussed about the Prime subscription that is also available here. Just click, you need to click here and you get the access. So homepage is connected to all the other pages which are to Premier subscription. And also once you fill the information here related to the particular course, or you apply for some plan, like the plans are available. You can see here there are plans available for the bronze plan, the silver plan, the gold plan, and the diamond plan. You can look for the various features available in each plan, like having the 16 live session per month, 4-hour mentorship, premier content, online certification, and recorded session, online test, ebooks, progress report, mini project, and many more. So there are many things available in each plan here, and you can simply subscribe, and you can have the options like for 1 month basis also, the option for 3 months also. There are discount available for each plan here, and based on your requirement, whether you like to have the 4 session in a month, or you like to have 16 session, or you don't want to have session, options are there. So if you don't want to have session, you just want to record a session, go for this plan. Then you just need to invest only 2,000 rupees for your learning. More you actually invest, more the learning will be there. In this case, more the solutions are available to the system itself. So this was just to give the idea, like here also we are, this is like a practical application which we created for all the learners here. It's not just theoretical we are doing, we are also applying what are the skills we are learning, like a data science, machine learning, AI, we are applying for our system. We are creating the recommender system, we are creating the chatbot, we are creating the all these things, because the data science is something which is very, very useful for everyone here. Let me now start again, go back to my presentation once again, and give you more insight about this. So this was to tell you like how we can use in a real time this data science part. So you can understand, like every business, you need to have the skills related to data science. Which are the business you select, whether it is and mostly the business which are there nowadays is the e-commerce business. And when you say e-commerce business, we need to understand, like, okay, there is a customer, we need to understand the customer need, we need to provide the customers, we need to provide the solution to the customer now. So here we are helping the customer, and also helping the customer as well as to the business, the salesperson. You want to even decide, okay, the price line of the particular product. So with the help of the historical data, the system will tell you, okay, this should be the price. And you must have seen, like, there are some company, they are giving the price, flexible pricing here, like the Amazon all. This flexible pricing is because of the customer demand, and the kind of the changes you see in the pricing, like you get some offering and all, that is all controlled by the system only. There are tools available for web designing in the data science, where you will see, like, that with the help of this tool, you can have the content creation, we can have the website creation, you can have the content marketing. So like the tool like a Dialogflow by Google and the Wit.ai, these are the tool for the web designing. With the help of this tool, you can quickly design the website also. There are tools available for content generation also. And this content generation tool, we call the within the artificial intelligence, you will be able to create a various varieties of the content, and there is a product available for the content generation. And here you can process the huge amount of, like a terabytes of data, and then help, like for example the content generation tool, like we have a wordsmith, quill, articolo, and many more like that. So these are the some tools which are there for the content generation. So these are all created by the data science, machine learning, and AI tools. Now, the language which I say for this data science, which I recommend, is the Python for data science, and there's a tool called Anaconda, which you can use it. In the Anaconda, you'll get the access to the library, which is related to NumPy, Pandas, machine learning, sklearn, and all, right? And this is the way you can use the various tools related to Python. In GKTCS, you'll get the detail about like how to use this particular tool, how to understand each and every. So you have to first start with the foundation like Python. Then once you have the strong foundation of the Python, you can go for the library for data science like Pandas. Then you can go for the visualization of the data like by using the Matplotlib. You can also go for the model creation by using the machine learning like sklearn and so on. Yeah, so there's a library available for this, is for the scientific calculations like NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib. And this is a site available for SciPy to explore it more. There's a site available for NumPy also. And that's something which is for the numerical mathematics, or we can say the for array and the for the matrix calculations. And there's a library called Matplotlib. It is specifically for the visualization data. So that is all about the data science I want to say for the today's session here. If you have any queries, let me know. And if you want to know the detail about this, like you can visit our YouTube channel. In the YouTube channel, I have already taken the hands-on session on the data science, as well as the case study I have taken there. And I will request to all of you, to visit the website on the GKTCS, on the YouTube itself. You can just look at the, even the YouTube's videos are available on website also. You can just visit the website, gktcs.in and gktcs.com. There also you'll get some access to the some YouTube video, some sample videos are available. And in case you are opting for some plan, you'll get all the videos related to Python, or like for the subscription plan if you're going for. So you'll get all the Python videos, all data science videos, machine learning videos, artificial intelligence video in a sequential manner. So if you want to go for sequential learning, which is not just into video, but also the ebooks, presentation, assignment, certificate, and many more things. So all this is already added in our premier plan. So that's it for the today's session. And for further things, like we have the next session very soon, we'll be discussing more about the machine learning there in the next session. In I can say the tomorrow session, which we are focusing is on the machine learning. And then we'll also have the another session after that, that is related to artificial intelligence. And in this way, we would like to go ahead with a series of the Python, data science, machine learning, giving you some insight about each and every topic here. So thank you for joining here. I request all of you to please visit the YouTube channel, which is there on the GKTCS Innovations name. And I think my team members can give some detail about that. Can you share the link? Right. Okay, so I'm just concluding for the today's session here.